I recently had the chance to use Zhiyun's latest gimbal, the Crane M2. Every now and then a product comes along that is nothing like any other product that exists on the market. This versatile compact little gimbal is exactly that. I wanted to show you guys 5 of my favorite things about the Crane M2 that makes it such a unique and revolutionary product. The crazy thing about this little gimbal is you can throw so many different devices on it. From action cameras to smartphones, point and shoots, and even compact mirrorless cameras. This little thing lets you get smooth footage with whatever camera you might have. The next unique feature of the Crane M2 is its insanely small design. This gimbal is small, and I mean like really small. It's light and portable with huge possibilities. You can throw this thing in your backpack or even pocket and go on any adventure that might get thrown at you. The Crane M2 has a locking pin to lock all the axes with one easy thumb screw. Using a memory tab, you can easily reopen the gimbal and be ready to go without having to rebalance. Another game-changing design, the tiny quick-release plate. The clips and unclips with one button, making it easy to mount and dismount your camera so you never miss a shot. The M2 has seamless connectivity, allowing you to control the camera from the gimbal, like using the record button and smooth zoom at your fingertips. Although this gimbal is compact, there's no sacrifice on features like modes. As well as the usual modes like pan follow, and lock, it has go mode for any fast moving sport shots, POV mode to get an immersive effect, and vortex mode for you to get creative with. With all of these things combined, it makes the Crane M2 the ultimate vlogging setup. Use selfie mode to get smooth shots of you talking to the camera. Take your B-roll to the next level and create cinematic gold with buttery smooth shots. And make sure you are ready to capture all the excitement without long setup times. Those are my 5 favorite points that I've really been enjoying about this little gimbal. I had an amazing time using this little beast and I'm excited about having it in my filmmaking arsenal for future projects. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more information about the Crane M2, I've put a link in the description, go check it out. And I will see you guys in the next one.